Hello, this is Matt Doctor for iTechNews.gr. Today we're going to see one more smartphone that came to me from Banggood. It's the latest smartwatch that came from Zeblaze. It's the Zeblaze GTS. And if you have a good look at it, at the image, you will see that it reminds a lot of the Amazfit GTS. Well, the only difference is that Amazfit GTS costs about $120, $130, when Zeblaze GTS costs only $24.99. This is about 6 times down the price. So let's see if it is better to get the Zeblaze GTS or the Amazfit. So let's open now the box to see what's inside. This is the box that came to me. Zeblaze GTS, Zeblaze, and here on the back it says Smart Fitness Watch GTS. Smartwatch inside it contains smartwatch, straps, cable, and a user manual. So let's open the box. Now, this is the watch. Zeblaze. At the back, the 2 pins for charging it, the sensor for the heartbeat. This is a speaker, and this here must be the mic. Zeblaze GTS has the functions that has the Amazfit GTS 2. So Zeblaze GTS has 2 Bluetooth. It's a Bluetooth 3 and a Bluetooth 5. So the first time that you take it, you connect it to the charger to activate it. You connect it with the app by scanning the QR code that you're going to find inside the manual. I'm going to show you. Connect it with the app, and after it's connected with the app, we reconnect it with the mobile. So we have 2 connections, and by this way you can answer your calls through the speaker of the Zeblaze GTS and speak through the mic. You cannot make calls, you can answer them directly from there, so there is no need to carry with you wireless earphones. A really good thing to do. So this is the watch. This is the charger. This is the manual. I told you that the app is here. It's for Google or Apple Store. It's the Fit. You scan this QR code and you download it. I have already installed it in my mobile. And these are the straps from silica gel. The total length is about 120 plus 75 millimeters. The width, as I told you, is 20 millimeters. The size is 43 to 37 to 11 millimeters, and the weight is about 38 grams. And the watch is made of ABS and PC. Now, the screen is 1.54 inches, is color IPS with a resolution of 240 to 240 pixels. Since I showed you the charger, the battery is of a capacity of 240 milliamperes with a standby time of 10 days, with a daily use at about 5 to 7 days. And if you activate the Bluetooth call mode, it lasts about 220 minutes according to the notes of Zeblaze. You will need about 1 hour and a half to charge it after that, and you can do it with a clamp that is inside the box. Apart from that, it has all kind of tracking sensors that I'm going to show you. We're going to see it together because I just received it, and so we're going to see together what it has. What it says is that it monitors blood pressure and saturation, something that I want to see, and as always I've brought with me my oximeter to compare it to see if it is reliable or not, as I do with all the smart bands that I have reviewed till now. So we're going to connect it, activate it, and start reviewing it. So it's time now to activate it. It's already activated. I have already set it up, the watch. Now I have told you already the features of the smartwatch, the Zeblaze GTS. Looks very alike Amazfit GTS, but made from plastic. But it's really very good for 21 euros that costs us in comparison with the 120 euros that Amazfit GTS costs. This is really a very good bargain and very good stuff. So let's deactivate it and start it over. Now, Amazfit GTS has a couple of smart watch faces to choose. All you have to do is press long here and choose one that you like. With this one, it came to me. You can choose whatever you like this one. As you see, it already is connected with the app, with the DAFit, so it shows the correct date and day, battery, heartbeat, steps. Now, here are all the menu. Here are for the steps, sleep, heartbeat, exercise, and if we press here we have 8 modes: walking, running, bike, rope, swimming, football, basketball, and badminton. So this is for the phone. You can make calls from here. It has dial pad. You can call normally. It connects through Bluetooth with your mobile, and you can make the calls as if you had your mobile. And recent calls, blood pressure, saturation, which is not bad, it measures really good, weather, and it shows in future weather prediction. Notifications, control the camera of your mobile, settings, it has stopwatch, alarm, countdown, brightness, phone to connect with the phone, shake, vibration, theater mode, reset, phone off, about, and the QR code for the app to connect with your smartwatch, and the player. So let's start with not the blood pressure, the heartbeat. Let's wear it. So I wear it now. As you can see, it looks very alike Amazfit GTS. So let's measure my heartbeats, and we're going to compare it with my oximeter, which is the most reliable device that I use as a doctor, and I use it in all my compares. So it's 25 for 24, it's still counting 24 to 21, 22, 23, 24. So it's the same, 25. Let's have a second measurement, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 27, 26, 24. They are very close. 21, 25, 24, 24 to 23. It's a very good number. And now let's see the saturation. 98, 99%. Before I've measured it, it showed me 97 to 99, 96 to 99. No, this is a big difference. Before it was better. (96 to 98), 2%. It's not bad. And we have the blood pressure. Before it was 129 to 71. Now I must use a device in order to see if it is real or not. But it doesn't show me any strange number. 132 to 73. Most of the companies, even Amazfit, says that use these measurements before exercise in order to know what to do and how to act. So take them under consideration. So not bad. 0 steps. I haven't moved. This is for the sleep. Heartbeat, exercise, 8 modes as I told you. Phone calls, we're going to do it now. So dial pad, if I call a number it will ring. So I'm calling the number here. As you can see, it's calling. And you can hear the beep from here. And if I answer it, you see that you can hear the other one speaking from the watch. Blood pressure, saturation, the weather, for the camera, and the music player. And let's have a look at the app. So this is the DaFit app. Steps, sleep, I just opened it so it doesn't have any measurements. Heart rate, continuous heart rate, blood pressure, saturation, and outdoor running. Now, as you can see, it reminds a lot of Amazfit GTS as an appearance. So here it has watch faces. You can choose whatever watch face you like. And here has additional watch faces to choose, a lot of them. I don't know you can find any custom or you can make, but here has really a lot. Notifications for calls, messages, Facebook, Twitter, Skype, Instagram, and others at the end. Alarms in order to control the camera. Others, here it's find device. It vibrates. Right. Time format, unit system, do not disturb, remind to move, continuous heart rate. Detection, language, it has a couple of languages inside it. Quick view, valid period, drink water reminder, weather, drink water reminder, weather, and it has for the women for the cycle. And upgrade, your firmware is the latest, as you can see. And here's the profile, the fit, it has in beta. So, not a bad watch. I have to say I'm really happy with it. For 21 euros, it's really a very good bargain. The features look correct, look good. You can even make calls from it. You have a saturation that it's really close to the saturation that a professional oximeter shows. You have blood pressure, you have a lot of features that you won't get from expensive smartwatches like Amazfit GTS 2 that has the same features, less features to be more exact. So I'm going to have a coupon with you in order to get it from Banggood. Now I hope you liked my video, my review, and press a like. Share the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm Matt Doctor for iTechNews.gr. Bye.